My name is Kim Perryman. I'm 57 years old. I'm a fitness instructor. I had been getting Botox and fillers for about 10 years, and that originally was giving me the results that I was looking for. People were beginning to ask me if I was tired. Sometimes I looked in the mirror and I felt like I looked tired when I wasn't.
A lot of patients ask me about when the best time is to have a facelift, and the true answer is it's when you have enough changes that you could benefit from it. When the face ages, you get loss of volume in the cheeks, around the eyes, around the jawline, and the skin looks like it starts to sag.
The day of surgery, I arrived and they gave me a sedative. Dr. Shah and his staff are very nurturing. They make sure that you're very comfortable and very well informed about what's getting ready to happen and when you're going in for the surgery.
We're able to take body fat that we liposuction, and then we process it to break it down into the smallest unit that can heal the skin. It's used directly in the skin to treat wrinkles, fine lines, and skin texture problems that we could never really address before.
I'm very happy with my result. The tightening around my neck and jowls is just what I was going for. And the nanofat really improved the texture of my skin. I would definitely recommend this procedure to my friends. I feel like it's been an easy, painless way to restore a youthful appearance.